Guys, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. Alright, so it looks like T-Mobile is going to be offering some nice perks for new customers that want to join and sign up for the T-Mobile 5G home internet plans. Alright, so it looks like you'll get $50, so you'll get a $50 rebate. On top of that, you'll also get $100 in free groceries. So this is going to be for new customers, not existing. Alright, so if you're looking to sign up for T-Mobile's 5G home internet and give it a go, there's some good incentive for you guys. All right. So here's what we know so far. So T-Mobile is saying that if you sign up, you do need to be part of one of the existing T-Mobile phone plans. So it'll either be one of the Go 5G Plus or an older Magenta plan in order for you to qualify for this deal. All right. And what's going to happen is you'll get $100 in free groceries from Instacart. On top of that, you'll get an additional $50 rebate. But not only that, they're saying that they're throwing in a free year of Instacart, and those groceries will get delivered for free. So that's some nice stuff. Those are some nice perks, incentives for someone that's just looking to sign up anyway and give it a go. Well, now you have more reasons. And then on top of that, of course, you'll get the $30 a month deal with qualifying plans. All right. So now you do have to act quickly, T-Mobile is saying, because they're saying it's only going to be valid for the first 18,000 new T-Mobile 5G home internet customers in the United States. All right. Now, as far as the Instacart, the 1 year free of Instacart, they're saying that, of course, that has to be redeemed by November 2nd of 2023. All right. And then they're saying, obviously, you do have to cancel if you get that free year. Otherwise, it will renew at an annual membership of $99 a year. All right. So keep that in mind as well. The link for this article will be down below so you guys can read more about it. So with all this being said, looks like T-Mobile's had some success with the home internet service here. It looks like many have subscribed. According to recent earnings report, they have well over 2 million customers, it looks like. So if that's the case, it's interesting to see why they would be offering, these kind of perks to wheel customers in. Now, it just could be just to remain competitive, keep themselves in a hot seat, keep all good and well. It could also be that some customers are trying and not buying. So they may just be giving it a go. Maybe coverage is not all that great where they are. The capacity is not there. So they may be switching. Obviously, we will hear more about that if that is indeed the case. I know some users have said that it's not so bad. Many have said that the coverage is still lacking. T-Mobile has gone on about how they've improved rural coverage for the home internet plans. But I'm still hearing that some people are not satisfied. So it's up in the air. It can go either way with this, I guess. But either way, there you have it. Those are the plan. That's the perks for the plan here. If you guys are using T-Mobile's 5G home internet, let me know how the service works for you. Still not available for me. So I can't give you my personal feedback on the service. I'm only going by reports and information from you guys and other sources that have tested, the service. So, all right, guys, I want to thank you for stopping by and watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.